Hello children. In the topic error, our next topic is propagation of error in product of two number. In the last topic we have done propagation of error in addition, subtraction. Then we find the result to calculate x, that is a plus b, and to calculate the delta x, that is delta a plus delta b. Now we will start. Let a and b are two number. A and b are two number. Delta a and delta b is absolute error in a and b. Absolute error in a and b. P is product. P equal a multiplied by b, equation number first. Let delta p is absolute error in p. Therefore, first equation can be written as p plus minus delta p. A can be written as a plus minus delta a. B can be written as b plus minus delta b. Now we can take out p common from here, 1 plus minus. We can write delta p upon p. We can take out a common from here, 1 plus minus delta a upon a. We can take out b common from here, 1 plus minus delta b upon b. Now we can write a and b here, 1 plus minus delta a upon a. We can write 1 plus minus delta b upon b. P 1 plus minus delta p upon p. Now from equation number first, AB is equal to P. Now here it is AB. In the place of AB we can write P 1 plus minus delta A upon A into 1 plus minus delta B upon B. Now P can be cancelled, 1 plus minus delta P upon P. Now we can multiply these two numbers. 1 we get 1 plus minus delta B upon B. Now multiply this with these two numbers, plus minus delta A upon A plus minus delta A upon A into delta B upon B. Now 1 will be cancelled. Therefore delta A upon A, delta B upon B. This term, it is very small. It is very small, so it will be neglected. Now we can write plus minus delta P upon P, delta A upon A, plus minus delta B upon B. Now we can write maximum permissible error is delta P upon P, that is delta A upon A plus delta B upon B. Next topic is propagation of error in division of two number. Let A and B are two number. Delta A and delta B, absolute error in A and B. Let Q is quotient is equal A upon B, equation number first. Delta Q is absolute error in Q. Now we can write Q plus minus delta Q, A plus minus delta A b plus minus delta b. We can take out q common, 1 plus minus delta q upon q. Take out a common, 1 plus minus delta a upon a. b take out common, 1 plus minus delta b upon b. This is a upon b. From equation first, a upon b is equal to q. So we can write 1 plus minus delta a upon a. Power is 1, so we can write 1 plus minus delta b upon b. This is minus 1. Q will be cancelled. Now delta b upon b is small. Apply binomial theorem. Apply binomial theorem. So we get 1 plus minus delta q upon q, 1 plus minus delta a upon a. We get 1 plus minus delta b upon b. In the binomial theorem, this power is multiplied by numerator delta b. This is plus minus, so we will get plus minus delta b into 1, it will be delta b. Multiply these two numbers, we get 1 plus minus delta b upon b plus minus delta a upon a plus minus delta a upon a into delta b upon b. 1 plus minus delta q upon q. So here this is very small, so it will be neglect. So now we can write delta q upon q equal delta a upon a plus minus delta b upon b. Now maximum value of relative error. Maximum value of relative error is delta q upon q equal delta a upon a plus delta b upon b. Now next question is find the area of a rectangle if length is 10 plus minus 0.1 meter, breadth is 5 plus minus 0.5 meter. Now this is L, this is delta L, this is B, this is delta B. Now first of all we have to find the area. This is length into breadth, 10 into 5, this is 150 meters square. Now relative error delta A upon A equal delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. Delta A upon value of A is 150, delta L is 0.1, L is 10, delta B is 0.5 upon 5. Delta A upon 150, this is 1 by 100 plus this is 5 by 50. Now we can write 1 by 100 plus 1 by 10, delta A upon 150. Now we can take LCM, it will be 100, 1 plus 10, delta is 11 by 100 into 150, it will be cancelled. So delta A will be 165 upon 10, delta A will be 16.5. So our result area will be 150 plus minus 16.5 meter square. This is our answer. Yes, in the next question we have to find density. If mass is 25 plus minus 0.5 kilogram and volume is 5 plus minus 0.1 meter cube. Now to find the density, relation is mass upon volume, we have to divide. So using relation for the quotient, first of all calculate the D is mass, M delta N, V delta V. Mass upon volume 25 upon 5, this is 5 kilogram per meter cube. Relative error delta D upon D, this is delta M upon M plus delta V upon V. D is 5, delta M is 0.5 upon 25 plus delta V 0.5 upon 5, delta D upon 5, it will be 5 upon 250 plus 1 by 50, delta D upon 5, it will be 150 plus 1 by 50, delta D upon 5. Now we can calculate delta D, put the value of D, delta M upon M, delta V upon V. Take the LCM and solve, we get delta D 0.2, so density will be 5 plus minus 0.2 kilogram per meter cube.